Hi mga pinsan! Welcome back to Kuya Hair Tips, your guide sa world ng hair color. Today, tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-bleach ng buhok sa bahay ng safe at paano ay tone down into ash blonde. Perfecto kung gusto mong mag-DIY at iwas orange or yellow tones. Let's go! Mga kailangan ay handa at gagamitin. Materials at hair bleach kit. Bleaching powder, Matrix, Bremod, or affordable brands. Developer, 20 volume kung light brown ka na, 30 volume kung dark hair. Mixing bowl at tint brush. Gloves at cape, toner, e.g. T14, T18 ng Wella or purple shampoo. Plastic cap, timer, hair clips for sectioning. Sulfate-free shampoo, dagdag deep conditioner. Step-by-step guide. Step 1, prepare your hair. Huwag maligo ng 1 hanggang 2 days before bleaching. Mas okay kung may natural oils para may protection ang scalp. Step 2, mix the bleach. Sa non-metallic bowl, haluin ang bleaching powder, dagdag developer, 1:2 ratio, hanggang maging smooth ang consistency. Walang buo-buo. Step 3, section the hair. Divide into 4 parts. Start sa likod, then upper sections. Apply kalahati inch away from the scalp. Step 4, apply the bleach. Huwag agad sa roots dahil mas coily silang maglighten. Mag-focus muna sa mid-length hanggang ends. Balikan ang roots after 10 hanggang 15 minutes. Processing time. 20 hanggang 40 minutes max, depende sa texture at target level. Huwag i-overprocess to avoid damage. Step 5, rinse and shampoo. Banlawan ng maigi. Gamit ng purple shampoo kung meron. Huwag muna mag-condition para kumapit ang toner mamaya. Paano ay tone down into ash blonde? Step 6, apply toner. Piliin ang Wella T14, Pale Ash Blonde, or T18, Lightest Ash Blonde. Mix with 20 volume developer, 1:2 ratio. Apply all over the bleached hair. Mas maganda kung basa ng konti ang hair. Leave for 20-30 minutes. Step 7, rinse and deep condition. Gumamit ng deep conditioner or hair mask kasi stress ang buhok mo from bleach. Air dry para makita mo ang totoong kulay. Bonus tips. Purple shampoo, 2x a week to maintain the ash tone. Huwag araw-araw ay shampoo para hindi mag-fade agad. Iwasan ang init ng araw, pwedeng gumamit ng leave-in UV protectant. Retone after 3 hanggang 4 weeks kung mag-yellow ulit. Outro, YouTube. Sana nakatulong ang step-by-step guide na to. Kung may tanong kayo, comment lang kayo below or message me sa IG at your handle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell para updated kayo sa next color care videos natin. Bye kaibigan, and enjoy your ash blonde look.